So I recently discovered a platform that you can find a lot of high-paying freelancing jobs that are open to anyone. Yes, even if you are in Nigeria. And based on my little experience with the platform, I discovered that there is a lot of opportunity if you fit to the right category. And I'm going to show you how. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you exactly how you can sign off, how you can find the jobs, and how you can apply for the job regardless of where you live. Okay, without any more delay, I will jump to my computer and we can get started. Okay, how it works is this platform is made for YouTube content creators. For example, I have a YouTube channel. If I need a YouTube video editor, I can come to this platform and I can find a YouTube video editor. If I need a YouTube thumbnail designer, I can come to this platform and I can find a YouTube thumbnail designer. Whatever I need related to YouTube, I can just come to this platform and I will be able to find a freelancer that can take care of that for me. So the first thing that you need to do is click on join as a talent. Okay, now you can just choose one that best describe you. If you are a video editor, thumbnail designer, creative director, whatever you do best, just choose one. I'm going to choose video editor and you go next. Okay, then you write your email. We click sign off. Okay, we go continue. Okay, I'm going to add my portfolio right here. Since I choose to be an video editor, I'm going to find a video that I edit. I add a link to the video right here and a short description, and the description is optional. So I'm just going to go to my channel. Okay, I'm going to grab this link. Come back here, paste the link. I don't need to add any description. You can add a description, but because I'm setting this profile as a test, I don't have to add a description. Okay, this is one. I can add another one. Okay, so you can see it's actually very easy to create your portfolio. You just need to grab a link, add it right here, and you have your portfolio. Then I can click next. Okay, they want you to add at least 6 videos. Okay, I can do that. Okay, I have 6 right here. One thing I need you to understand is right here, they are not asking you to provide your own videos that you create for your own channel, because most likely you don't have a YouTube channel, and that's okay. They are asking you to provide a link to a YouTube video that you edit for a client previously. So you can just go to your client YouTube channels and grab the links and you paste it right here. And if you have never worked for any client previously, what you can do is simply find some YouTube channels, small YouTube channels, and offer your services for free to them in exchange of a testimonial. They give you their videos, you edit a video for them, you do some simple edit for them, so that can be part of your portfolio. And they give you a testimonial, they give you a review, a testimonial, and you can just come right here and add those videos that you edit as your portfolio. If you skip this part, you don't add anything right here, then finding a client is going to be very hard for you. Okay, I have 6 right here. I can click next. Right here, they want me to add a link to my YouTube channel if I have a YouTube channel. I am going to skip it. I'm going to assume you don't have a YouTube channel, so you can just simply skip this. If you have a Twitter handle, you can add it right here. I think I have a Twitter handle, but I'm not sure. Let me see. Yeah, looks like I do have Twitter handle. If you have account in Behance, you add it right here. If you have a personal website, you can simply put it right here. You can add a short description, and let me just give you a quick way to find a description. You can simply write a short description, but I'm going to use ChatGPT. We can use this prompt. Okay, we can copy it and make some changes later. Okay, right here you can simply add a link to your client's YouTube channel. If the client have a website, you can add a link to their website right here. And if you are still working for the client, you choose yes, I am currently working for the client. If you are not currently working for the client, you stop working, then you add your end date. And for the sake of simplicity, I'm going to say I'm currently working here, and I'm just going to choose some random date. Okay, we go next. I'm going to put my name. I'm going to add my profile picture. Okay, we are all set. We can go to edit profile. Okay, this is how our profile is looking at the moment. This is the portfolio that we added, the portfolio items that we have added. Next, we can go ahead and complete our profile. We can add any other information. We can add about me information. I shown you how you can use ChatGPT right here to generate some simple text and make some adjustment. You can follow this route, or if you already have your description, you can just write it right here. You add your about information, you confirm your email address, you add any relevant links, and if you have any previous experience, you add it right here. You add the languages that you speak. Okay, next we can start looking for a job. And the way to do this is we go right here to jobs. Okay, this is where we are going to see all the jobs that people posted. For example, since we are video editors, we can choose the category. So that we can see only clients who are looking for a video editor. Okay, we can just go through the jobs. And the first one is they need an expert video editor. They didn't add their budget. The next one, they didn't add their budget also. This one add their budget 100 to 250. Okay, let's open and see the description of the project. Okay, they are willing to pay $100 to $250 per project. That is per video that you edit for them. We can check the job description right here. Okay, so this is all the things they need. These are the requirements. This is very important. The requirement is very important because if you did not meet the requirement, then if you apply for the job, it could be just a waste of your time. If you meet the requirement, you go to apply. Okay, this is a warning. They are warning us to make sure we check the job description and we meet the requirement. You just click next, and this is where you write your cover letter. You briefly explain why you are a good fit for the position. At this stage, I don't recommend you use ChatGPT to write it from scratch, but you can use ChatGPT to make it better. For example, you can just write something like, let me just think of something at the top of my head. Okay, so this is a quick description that I write, and this is what I recommend you do. You write your quick description yourself, then you copy the description and you go to ChatGPT, start a new chat, and use the following prompt. Make this text better in a simple tone and easy to understand. Okay, we pick text right here. Okay, then you paste the text that you already written right here. So we say make this text better in a simple tone and easy to understand. Okay, you just click enter. Okay, we can just copy the one that ChatGPT will write for us and paste it right here, or we can make more adjustment, or we can even use the one that we write in the first place if we like it better. Then we go next. Okay, link to a verified work. I am simply going to use another video from my channel right here. Okay, so this is a preview of my application before I sent. This is the description that I've written, more like my cover letter. It looks a little bit short. It can be short if you cover everything that you need to cover, but if there is more that you can add, I suggest you do add more information right here. You just try as much as possible to make your cover letter sound interesting and appealing and give them a reason to want to get back to you. Okay, when you finish reviewing this, all you need to do is submit your application. I am not going to submit my application because this is a test. I'm not looking for the job, so I'm not going to submit my application, but this is a process that you can follow to sign up for youtubejobs.co, create your profile and start applying for jobs. And as you can see, if you check the jobs section, there are a lot of high paying jobs on this platform compared to Upwork and Fiverr. Okay, so that's it. This is how you can create your account in ytjobs.com, and this is how you can find job opportunities and you can start applying for freelance jobs. And as you can see, if you manage to find client on ytjobs.com, there is a higher chance of getting a lot more money compared to if you use Fiverr or Upwork, because most people who use ytjobs.com, they are professionals. They are looking for someone who knows how to do the jobs. They prioritize the quality of the work compared to Fiverr or Upwork, where you will find a lot of people with very limited budget who are looking for someone to do something extreme for $5. So next, you can watch this video to learn how to avoid some of the most common mistakes that can prevent you from finding your first client. If you find the video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.